I tested 5 AI apps specifically for homework and compared them on speed, accuracy, and ease of use.
The winner? Totally unexpected.
App 1, ChatGPT 4, Writing, Essays, Explanation.
Speed, fast. Accuracy, 85%. Ease, super easy.
ChatGPT is reliable.
I can paste my homework question and it explains everything.
But here's the problem, it sometimes gives you too much information. For a simple math problem, it gives a 10-paragraph explanation. Overkill. Winner here, ChatGPT.
App 2, Wolfram Alpha 4, Math, Science Calculations.
Speed, instant. Accuracy, 98%. Ease, need to learn how to type questions.
If your homework is math or science, Wolfram Alpha is incredible. But you need to learn its language.
It's not as simple as ChatGPT.
Worth it. 98% accuracy on calculations. Winner here, Wolfram Alpha.
App 3, Quillbot 4, Paraphrasing Essays, Improving Writing.
Speed, instant. Accuracy, 90%. Ease, very easy.
Quillbot is pure magic for essays.
You write something, it rewrites it to sound better.
Your teacher won't know it's AI rewritten. But here's the catch, use it to improve your writing, not replace it.
Winner here, Quillbot.
App 4, Claude AI.
4. Complex explanations, critical thinking. Speed, 10 seconds. Accuracy, 92%.
Ease, need subscription for best results.
Claude understands nuance. If you ask it a complex question, it gives you a thoughtful answer. Better than ChatGPT for advanced topics. But the free version is limited.
Winner here, Claude AI, if you pay. App 5, Perplexity AI. 4. Research, fact-checking, citations.
Speed, 15 seconds. Accuracy, 95%.
Ease, medium. Perplexity is like Google but smarter.
It gives you answers with sources. Perfect if your teacher requires citations.
Shows actual research papers and websites. Winner here, Perplexity AI.
Overall winner, it depends on your homework type.
Math homework?
Wolfram Alpha.
Writing homework?
Quillbot.
Research homework? Perplexity AI. Concept explanations? Claude AI. Quick answers? ChatGPT.
But if I had to pick one app that's most useful for students overall?
Claude AI.
It handles almost everything well. But I know not everyone wants to pay.
So my free winner? ChatGPT plus Wolfram Alpha combo. Use ChatGPT for concepts, Wolfram for calculations.
Which app do you already use?
Comment below and tell me if I ranked it fairly. Subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy. We're testing every productivity app so you don't have to.